Hey guys, my name is Komal Sharma and in this video I am going to discuss about OPPO F9 Pro. Let's start the video. OPPO is now gearing up for another launch in the country. Today, the company posted on Twitter for an upcoming phone which is the OPPO F9 Pro. With the teaser, OPPO has made it quite clear that it will be launching the phone in India soon. After OPPO confirmed on Monday that the F9 Pro will be launching in India soon, the company has now revealed the phone on its official site, giving us a good look at what the upcoming device is going to look like. Listing on the OPPO India page shows that F9 Pro with a very small circular notch similar to the Essential phone. Additionally, OPPO is also touting fast VOOC charging that will give you 2 hours of talk time in just 5 minutes of charge. Both the OPPO F9 and F9 Pro were recently spotted on a Bluetooth certificate website, which revealed some of its key specifications. According to the listing of the leaked screenshots of the OPPO F9 Pro on the Bluetooth SIG certificate site, there are 3 different model numbers: CPH1823, CPH1825 and CPH1881. Wherein the CPH1825 model seems to be the OPPO F9 Pro, while the CPH1825 and CPH1881 are for OPPO F9. All the 4 models have 4G LTE support and the same Bluetooth module as on the OPPO Realme One, OPPO F7, OPPO F7 Youth and other recently launched OPPO phones. Moreover, all the 3 models spotted in the leak are expected to come powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor. Besides being a successor to the OPPO F7, we can expect the F9 and the F9 Pro to come with an AI assistant image sensor at the rear for effects like enhanced bokeh and more. Release date. A report by Malaysian blog suggests that the OPPO F9 will have a screen to body ratio of 90:8% and will be launched sometime in August. The smartphone is priced at Rs 30,999. The device is available via leading offline stores. And at last, I am going to discuss about some pros and cons of the OPPO F9 Pro. Pros: 4G network and fingerprint scanner for more security. Unbelievable 8GB RAM which can easily run heavy apps without any slack. Plenty of inbuilt storage and supports memory card. Amazing camera, dual rear camera, 16MP plus 20MP plus 25MP selfie expert. Perfect for high graphics, games and multitasking. Cons: expensive to purchase. 3400 mAh may not be sufficient for some users. Thanks. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more latest update.